to Sav's Glam Beauty. Into this video, I will be making some orange peel oil. This oil helps to fade dark spots. It helps out with hyperpigmentation. It lightens. It is very, very effective. So I hope you enjoyed this video and want to see more. Want to see how I created this beautiful orange peel oil? Then please keep on watching. Let's do this. So my orange has been washed and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna be grating the peel off these oranges like so. I don't know which side to use, but I think I appreciate this part. Okay, let me carry the camera up a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna start like so.
To be happy, you can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be.
Okay, so we're done with this. So you guys, from the 3 oranges, this is what I got. And I'm very excited for this because, yeah. So I'm just gonna be putting the orange peel in my glass beaker. Okay, so here we are with our orange peel. This is how it's looking. I like the way it looks. So in here, I have some vitamin E oil. I'm gonna be putting the vitamin E oil on it like so. Okay, I'm not measuring it in no particular order. Oopsie. Okay, I'll be messy just now, a little messy, and all of that. I'm just gonna be adding the rest like so. And next product I'll be adding in here will be some coconut oil. That much. Just giving it a nice mix and all of that. I'm gonna take this and put it on my double boiler. But before I do, I get some aluminum foil paper like so and cover out my orange peel oil, and I'm gonna use the double boiler method. I will also put it on a very low, no, medium heat. I'm gonna put it on medium heat for like 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so let's go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it on. My oil in here like so. Okay, so my oil have been here for at least 30 minutes on very low heat. As you can see, it's not even boiling. and all of that. So I'm just going to turn the burner off totally, and this is our oil and all of that. OMG. Guys, I apologize for my bad lighting. I was filming during the day and I didn't realize how dark it was. How dare you, Sabs Glam? This is unacceptable. Guys, I apologize from the bottom of my heart. This will never happen again. So yes, you guys, it is the next day. It was pretty dark. I couldn't complete the video, so here I am. So folks, here we are with our very own orange peel oil. I cannot wait to use this oil. It's smelling like fresh oranges. Fresh orange. Like, I just wish you could smell this oil through the camera. I just tried it on my hand just now, and like it dissolves quick. It'll sink down in your skin in no time. Let me just do a little demo for y'all to see, because see, and I'm gonna rub it right before you just so you see how it'll dissolve. My little dry hands. My hands are always dry. So it dissolves in no time, leaving your skin smooth and silky. That's it, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it.